Bose QuietComfort Earbuds are truly wireless earbuds with the world's most effective noise canceling and acclaimed lifelike sound. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your earbuds. Let's begin by opening the box. The first thing you'll see is the charging case. Open it to reveal your Bose QuietComfort Earbuds. Remove this divider and then lift up this flap to find additional Stay Here Max Eartip sizes. You'll also find a USB charging cable. And finally, a quick start guide and important safety information. The size 2 ear tips are already attached to the earbuds. The Stay Here Max ear tips and sizes have been redesigned to provide a better audio experience. For the best fit, noise cancellation, and audio performance, try all 3 sizes or a different size in each ear. Whenever you open the case, your earbuds will automatically power on. These 5 LEDs will light up to show you the current battery level of your charging case. The earbud status lights will slowly pulse white if they're charging, and will glow solid white when they're fully charged. Okay, now let's set up your Bose QuietComfort Earbuds. Open the case and wait for the LED indicators to blink. Take the earbuds out of the case and leave the case open during the pairing process. By default, the earbuds will already be in pairing mode, and the status lights should be blinking blue. If not, press and hold the Bluetooth button inside the charging case until the earbud status lights blink blue, or you hear,
"Ready to connect."
You can add your earbuds via the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device. However, to access additional features and future software updates, we recommend downloading the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Log in with or create a new My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap the plus button and then select Headphones and Frames. A scan will begin searching for your earbuds. Once they appear, click Add Product. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your earbuds. Once connected, the earbud status lights will glow solid blue, or you'll hear a voice prompt announce the connected mobile device. To power off your earbuds, first place them back inside the charging case. Properly align the charging pins, and the earbud will magnetically snap into place. Next, close the lid and your earbuds will automatically power off. Your Bose QuietComfort earbuds are now set up. For additional support, visit our website